Hi friends, this video is about how to make a 2-layer money cake. The supplies I used were a candlestick, a silver tray, large pan, and a small pan, some shreds, foil paper, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Michael's, I got some glue dots, a glue gun, some sticks. Then I have some hair bands, some money, glass, and I did use my Cricut. Alright friends, if you watch my basketball money cake, this project was done at the same time. So first I took my candlestick and I glued it to the silver tray. I did use my glue gun doing this. Now the glue dots were placed down on the silver tray, and they're not really dots, they're more like glue strings. Place those down. We placed about 4 on the silver tray. Then gently push down on the large tray. So before starting this video, we rolled all the money up, not too small, and you want to make sure your rubber band is right in the middle of your money. And also when rolling up the money, you also want to make sure you're rolling all the bills the same way. So when applying the rolled money to the tray, as you see now, we took a little glue dot and gently push it up against your large pan. We did use a chopstick to try to firmly push the glue to make it stick to the large pan. Those are the glue dots to the right of the project, which we purchased from Michael's. Here we go, our first layer is done. So next, to give our second layer a little height, I taken an old pie pan. This is about 7 inches. And I've taken one of the tops for the large aluminum pans. And now I'm just gluing the bottom and the top together. And you gently want to push on this. It is aluminum. And to give the cake a little weight, I did add some treats to the bottom layer. Now just place that, and now you see it does give our cake a little height. Now those are 4 pans, and we're going to place those right in the middle. Just trying to make sure it's even before you glue the small pan down to your top layer. You do want to make sure you kind of place your bills, and I took 4 of them and I placed them around to make sure it was even before applying the glue dots to the bottom of the small pan for the top layer. So you see the basketball to the right. Please, if you would like to see that video, it's entitled Basketball Money Cake. I like how this project came out. It was our first time, well, my first time making it. And as you can see, you don't want to roll the money too small. About a finger a width is a good size. And just be gentle. Okay, so next we're just applying the ribbon, and I wanted to make sure our rubber bands did not show through, so that's why we're taking the ribbon and applying it to the area where it's at, and this also will secure your money all together. So off camera, I did take the glass, which you see up top, and put some shreds in it. And under the glass, there is the blue foil that matches the ribbon perfectly. And you can just take your glue dots and affix your ribbon to each other, which was great. And to give it some weight, I did put some things in your top layer as well. Now our project is complete. I did off camera take the Cricut and apply the vinyl to the glass. Unfortunately, the video did not record. But upcoming, I have a new series called Cricut with Me This and That. So I'll be happy to show everyone how to make some glasses. And I want to say happy birthday to hubby. I love you and thank you for watching. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and check out my video on the basketball money cake.